please, come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. Please. Come on. Please. 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 Oh! Yes! I don't think I ever gifted Frosty Bee. Yes! 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 Blue pick. Be made of snow. Yes! 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 If I check the star hole now, it should say 7. I was hoping for one of the ones I don't have, but I have a Frosty Bee, but I don't have a gifted Frosty Bee. So yeah. million honey and 3 stingers. See? Because usually I only get a little bit, because I only fight a little bit. But because I fought a lot, I got 2 million. Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator and I have finished Subsided Agriculture. So we are going to hand that into Science Fair, finally. Took me a while to do the pineapple tokens. Fascinating. A finely detailed breakdown on the mechanics behind sprout growth. By starting these, blah, blah. Oh, I got an oil. 7 tickets, a lot of honey, and another science enhancement like usual. Did you know that the device you're playing this game on is actually nothing more than a clever combination of plastics, metals and rock? By precisely arranging simple materials in certain ways, we can create amazing tools that seem to work like magic. That process is similar to the crafting we do on this mountain. By combining ingredients, we harvest the fields from fields and monsters. We're capable of creating more advanced and helpful items and tools. Inside the Badge Bearers Guild, beyond the 15B gate, you'll find a large blender. Using that, you can combine items like raw jellies and treats into more advanced items like extracts, oil, enzymes and glue. Extracts increase that, oil increase that, enzymes increase that, glue increase that, and they all last 10 minutes. Perhaps the easiest ingredient to craft is gumdrops. You just need 3 strawberries, 3 blueberries and 3 pineapples. Let's experiment. 15 badges, 10 ingredients in the blender. So we're going to go all the way there. That much pumpkin patch, that much cactus, and most importantly, 23 types of bees. Boom. Metallurgically crafted. So we've done the badge part and the bee part. We need to craft items with the blender, which I've only done once, and that was when I got that star jelly. Then we need the pumpkin and cactus. So let's try and craft things. I thought it was going to say craft some gumdrops, but it says just 10 any ingredients. So we can just do anything. We're not going to do that because 1, we don't have enough, and 2, I don't want to spend any raw jellies. No, these are all raw jellies. So I can do that, not that, not that, not that, not that. Oh yeah, now we're back to the start. So you can do moon charms or gumdrops, and I think I'm going to do gumdrops. But firstly, let's see how much we have of all the different treats. Okay. So, let's do gumdrops. How many can we do? We can do 7. Oh, 7 out of 10. Seriously? Because I don't have any more, like I've got less as blueberries, and then I've got pineapples, then strawberries is the most. So confirm, and boom. Now I have no blueberries, I have 1 pineapple and 15 strawberries. So in 34 minutes, or 35 minutes, you may close this window, but the blender only runs while you're in the game, as normal. And right now it's night time actually. And how many spikes do I... Oh! I've got 203 tickets now. That's good. So I have 83 spikes. I'll just get these guys. Unless they leave. before I'm able to collect everything and get some gumdrops from there and tickets. And boom. Now you dive back down. Don't really need to try and hunt for the pineapples anymore, because that was the most annoying struggle, was doing the pineapples. And then I guess the items from Sprouts, but it was easier than the pineapples. Honey Storm, I'm not going to do that unless I see any tickets. So if I do see any tickets, then I'm obviously going to get those. Okay, lots of strawberries. Even though I need blueberries the most, and pineapples. Well, no, actually, yeah, because now I do need pineapples. And it's going to go to another field where it's just mainly going to give me strawberries. How many things do I have? Moon charms. I'm trying to check but do this at the same time. Get that. So how many do I have? 76. Oh, and also I haven't been using any of my treats because I want to show you. I actually somehow made it so that it says I've done 2,222 out of 2,500. All the 2s. And for this quest, it's all the 3s. 3,333,333 from pumpkin and cactus. So, I'm going to use my treats and royal jelly. Royal jelly first on the red bee. Imagine if this was a diamond bee. Oh, cool bee. The opposite of red bee. So, how close is this one? Close, but I'm pretty sure there's a closer one. Nope. No. Bomber bee's close. Or closer, but not really close. Stubborn bee's closest so far. So far, stubborn bee. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it to stubborn bee. Boom. No. Oh, Okay, so. And I'll empty my backpack because it's basically so close to being full. So. How long has the video been? Okay. Have we done any badges? Stun? No. No. None at all. So, there's actually another code, but I'll do it in a certain area because it's got a pollen booster. It's got it's got a pollen booster for 2, but I think I'm actually going to use it for bamboo because it also has it for stump, which would be kind of good, but I have a stumps now there, plus I've got a quest for bamboo. So I think I'm going to do it right here. And look at my character because it actually gives a morph. One of the new morphs, actually. Can you guess what one it is? comment down below before I do it. Is it mother or science? So, boom. So the code is 500 mil for 500 million visits, I think. I'm pretty sure it's visits. So 3, 2, oh, wait. Before I do that, I saw a leaf around here. So if there, blueberry. So 3, 2, well, I don't want to be in the way. You can't see me, come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. I am Science Bear, that's who you get. And you also get like jump out, like conversion links and 2 times pollen, heaps of different things. So you get 2 times stump and 3 times, what's it called? Bamboo. You get like wealth clock times 5, instant conversion things, and anything else. 5 jelly beans, 5 gumdrops, 5 field dice. Do I have my limit on field dice now? No, I don't have my limit on field dice. That's good. So that means I got all the field dice that I could. I know I might be wasting this code by quickly going over to do something else, but it'll be very quick, and I'll be back very shortly to the field. It's just, I've been playing for around an hour on this server, and I've got a 5 times thing. Wait, no, not brown bear. So if I go here, seriously, come on, 1 minute and 29 seconds. 1 minute 29 seconds. So we can get that in very, very shortly. So let's just do walk through the woods. Bamboo part. Yes, so I've got 5 times, so that means when I do my sixth one, I'll get a ticket. Only one, unfortunately, because it's like it will start printing tickets, but it only gives 1. Should give more, like around at the least 10. 10 at the least. 10 at the least. So hopefully it will, unless he updated it so that it will give more than 1. Hopefully. Come on. Hurry up. I'm wasting my boost. I need to go back to the field for a little bit longer. Come on. Just kill that rhino beetle. Get his drops. Quickly. Oh, now by the time... just come on. Wealth clock. You're wasting my time. I'll probably be done by now. Maybe. I'll walk very slowly. Yes. Come on. Oh, 5 tickets. 5. Yes. Okay, so 5 tickets every hour. Yeah, it says it prints 5 tickets every hour because what the message used to say is it will start printing tickets. But now it says it will print 5 tickets every hour. So I just got 5 extra tickets, yeah. So boom. So that's a new thing. A very small but good update, little change that I didn't know about. So I'll just do this for a little bit and see you guys soon. No, I just used 2 field dice to see if I could get more boost on the this field, but I got strawberry and clover. Not helpful, field dice. Not helpful at all. Okay, I just went away to get some food and it says it's complete now. I've been using quite a lot of microconverters. Earlier I had like 9 or 10 and now I have 6. So I fill up my my backpack so quickly now. So I'm going to be increasing my backpack in this video through a way which is going to be amazing, but very, like, you know, expensive. I'm not going to use any more microconverters. I'm just going to go to my hive like a normal person. Oh, no, not. This is what I'm going to do. Oh, but I can't. I'm just going to do it. Because I can't get any of the cool, sparkly things. If I can't, mine anything, you know. Oops. I'm gonna go and see how my crafting is doing. No. Wait. No. Oh. Oh, stupid tomato sauce spilling onto my device and making me move in weird directions. Okay. Got it under control. Just curiosity, how much is it for 100 royal jellies? No, that's 1,000 royal jellies, wait. 100 royal jellies is that much? I could buy 10, and then quite a lot of 10s. But I'm not going to do it because I'm doing this amazing thing that I'm going to tell you about soon. That you already know about, but you might not remember from the last episode of this. 14. 4 out of 7 are done. Like, Okay, I just needed to talk to someone, so I don't want to waste this field dice thing, so I'm just gonna go into the strawberry field for a bit. To be collecting some more pollen to turn into yummy honey. Okay. Yes, how many tickets do I have? I have 210, yeah, so I can nearly... Yeah, because remember I was like, I'm not going to save up for the new bee. I'm going to buy that photon bee. Well, now I have enough around, you know, like in 42... When I get 40 more I can't talk today. When I get 40 more tickets, I'll be able to buy that new bee if it's on sale. Like the normal, usual bees have been on sale. Okay. Come on. No, not bees. 30 bees. Discovered 29. Is there any things I need to be here for? I'm so close to doing 8 to 8. I think I'm doing that this episode. Because I've got 2. Seriously? 2? 2 will not help me at all. Come on. Get some more honey. I've got 24 million now. So that's a lot of honey. A lot. A definite lot. Okay, someone earned cactus badge, hot shot. Oh, by the way, I just checked up there, and I'm definitely not gonna do this option, but if I did want to, I have enough to buy the second sprinkler thing, the silver somethings. Because like there's golden gushes, diamond drenches, supreme saturator. But I'm not gonna buy it. It was like 22,222,222, I think. Because they love having the exact same number a billion trillion times. So close to running out. 33 more seconds of doing this. Oh, Dad's calling me. Wait. Just used the dispenser to give me treats, so hopefully I'll have enough to feed to my bees to finish the quest. For 8 to 8. That is heaps. 8 bees to level 8 plus 2,500 treats. Nearly impossible for me. But I have finally nearly managed to do it. Just need to feed. Oh, I don't know, this won't be enough. So what one were we feeding it to? The stubborn bee? Oh, 9 more treats. No, not fair. Not fair. No. Where will I get 9 more treats? You can't craft treats. And there's no treat dispenser apart from that one that I just used. So I am doomed for eternity until I get 9 more treats. I need 9 more treats. Wait, if this thing, the werewolf, sometimes it drops like 25 treats. If it is here, and it's not here, eh? No, it's not here. 11 more minutes, and I don't think I'm going to do an 11 more minutes video. Well, I could cut, but don't really want to. Oh, that just spawned. And it doesn't have a timer, which means it should be coming any minute now. And I've gotten like a 25 treat thing from here. So like if I leave for a little bit and then go back in, but 83. Those are my 2 lucky numbers, 8 and 3. Come on, please. Spider. Treat token. Yes. 1 treat from leaves. Oh, and this will give me treats. And there's a treat token right there if you don't steal it. And you didn't steal it. And there's gumdrops here. Okay, this is working out. Don't really want the honey storm. That's just going to give me honey. I would like a treat storm right now. But I will just run around and grab them. Ticket. Boom. Ba-boom. Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Treat. Boom. So I need 9 more treats. I have 3 out of 9. I'm aiming for normal treats. In this field, it'll give me like around like the pineapple to sunflower, and then maybe a little bit of blueberry and pineapple, and then lots of treats, normal treats. So come on, hurry up, I just want this to be, yeah, come on. Boom, normal treats. Oh, that's a royal jelly, okay. Normal treats. Normal treats. Normal treats. One. Yes, I got 11. 12. Okay, done. Boom. Nice. Yes. Why did the ladybug spawn? I'm up here. Okay. Well, that's some free loot that I didn't even have to try for. Didn't even try at all. Just walk into the fields because I need some honey. Well, pollen which will make honey. So just quickly get a little bit here. Let's go. What, you have a gifted demon bee? I don't have a demon bee and I don't have a gifted legendary. Oh, YouTube. Yep, I'm on YouTube channel. I'm on another person's YouTube channel. That's not the person though. That's that person. Oh, that you have the gifted demon bee. That's not mine. I wish it was though, because it has a gifted diamond bee. Okay. All 12. Boom. 8 to 8. Done. I have done 8 to 8. How many treats did I just use? And then there was the 100 sunflower seeds, 8 royal jellies. Okay, so it kicked me out of the game, so I am on a different server now, but 8 to 8 is complete. Where is it? Right there. As you've seen, if you love and care for your bees, they'll reward you. As you grow closer to your bees, they'll be motivated to work harder and faster. As you transition into a top honey maker, this becomes more and more important. Just 2 more lessons and I'll give you my star treat. Oh, a lot of honey, 250 treats, 8 tickets and 3 royal jellies. There's another benefit to gifted bees I've yet to mention, and this might be my favourite thing about them. You get star amulets. Star amulets are gorgeous trinkets, but no matter what, they're always multiply the space of backpack. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to get one today. The bronze star amulet. At 5 gifted bees you can generate a bronze star amulet. And that's what I'm going to get. 10 is silver, 20 is gold, and 30 is diamond. So the Nubia shop. 2 more of my lessons, 3 to level 9, 5,000 treats, 200 strawberries. So this is the second last quest. Wow, sights on the stars. 3 to level 9, 5,000 treats and 200 strawberries, like I just said. Oh, just got a random sunflower seed in the field. It's nearly at the half-hour mark. Someone just left and the faces are just there, which always looks funny, to me at least. So let's boom, we can buy it. But I'm going to wait until the exact half-hour mark. So then there's the 10, the 20, and the 30 for diamond, all the way up there. Get that. 53, 54, come on. 3, 2, 1, boom. And hopefully it's a good one because I had the luck boost on. So from none to 1.25 capacity extra, 20% pollen from bees and 21% white pollen. So you can see my backpack space is 1,035,000 and now it is 1,293,750. So I have finally now got a star amulet. Look at it in all of its glory up there. Doesn't really look like a really good colour though because it's bronze, but it gives amazing things. So all the amulets I have, I've got King Beetle, Silver Ant, a moon amulet and a bronze star amulet. Don't laugh, baby bee. Don't laugh that it's only a bronze. And then he laughed again. Okay, so I think this might be the end of this episode. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.